There are three different kinds of serve, namely, underhand, overhand, and sidearm serve. 1. Underhand serve. The non-dominant foot is facing forward with tossing the ball, but will not exceed the level of the shoulder with the non-dominant hand, and hitting the ball the bottom side with the dominant hand. 2. Overhand serve. The non-dominant foot is facing forward with tossing the ball above the head level with the non-dominant hand, and hitting the ball the center area with the dominant hand. 3. Sidearm serve. The non-dominant foot is facing forward with tossing the ball, but will not exceed the level of the shoulder with the non-dominant hand. Instead of the ball is in front, the ball should be on the side with arm extend on the side. The ball will be hit in the center area. There are four kinds of pass, namely, tossing, forearm pass, overhand hand, and one arm. 1. Tossing or overhand pass. This is kinda serve of serve setters normally use in setting up a play. Elbows are outside, with the ball not touching the palms of the player and tossing it to a certain player to set up a play. The ball should not be spinning in order for the toss to be a good ball. 2. One arm pass, normally an emergency pass wherein the player is not in position to do a good pass. This kind of pass does not usually come in a good position. 3. Forearm pass. This is a pass wherein the ball lands in the forearm of a player, but the player is in good position. The legs are bent, upper body leans forward, and arms are fully extended to face the incoming ball. Blocking. There are three kinds of block, namely, single-man block, two-man block, and three-man block. 1. Single-man block. A block wherein the block tends to block a spike without any help, with the purpose of either to kill the ball using the block or narrow down the area in order to receive an incoming attack from the opponent. Normally the blocker jumps vertically, not forward. 2. Two-man block. This is a block wherein the purpose is to force the attacker do a down-the-line attack and make the receiver have enough time and position to receive the incoming attack. 3. Three-man block. This is a kind of block wherein main purpose of killing the incoming attack, either it be a down-the-line or cross-court shot. This is a kind of attack wherein the attacker tends to kill the ball instantly. In spiking, there are two kinds of approach. The first one right left then jump. And the second one is left then jump. This is usually used by the right side hitter and left side hitter. In setting there are three kinds of tempo. First tempo, second tempo, third tempo. 1. First tempo, normally a quick attack by the middle blocker after a free ball from opponent. 2. Second tempo, a set-up play with a semi-quick set coming from the wing hitters or back row attackers. 3. Third tempo, a set-up play with a high toss set either for the wing hitters or back row attackers.